Get ready for the plant-based twist on the viral swamp potatoes that's taking the internet by storm. This vegetarian version is just as hearty and flavorful as the original, but completely plant-based. Here's what you'll need: Yukon Gold potatoes, fresh green beans, plant-based sausage, and our secret weapon, this amazing Cajun seasoning blend with smoked paprika. Don't forget the liquid smoke. It's what gives this dish that incredible smoky flavor. Start by sautéing your onions until they're nice and translucent. Add your potatoes with all those beautiful seasonings, then pour in the vegetable broth. Let this simmer covered for about 15 minutes until the potatoes start getting tender. Now add your green beans, bell peppers, and plant-based sausage. Everything's coming together. Stir in those protein-packed cannellini beans and nutritional yeast. A few drops of liquid smoke and we're almost ready. Look at those beautiful colors. And there you have it. Plant-based swamp potatoes that are absolutely incredible. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant-based comfort food.